Hey, do you struggle to maintain a good posture at your workstation? How about lack of space and all those annoying cables? And how do you connect your devices to your laptop? Introducing the most advanced dynamic gas spring monitor arm with a built-in docking station. No software required, it is just plug and play. Now you can create an ergonomic, sustainable, smart, safe workstation environment that you totally deserve. There are two major benefits of having a monitor arm. Number one, you can set the screens to the right viewing height, so it's great for your neck posture. Number two is help you create a lot of space on your workstation. You can reclaim all the space for yourself. So here are some amazing features of this brilliant monitor arm. Let's start with docking station itself. It is USB-C powered docking station. It comes with 65 volt main input. It has got two HDMI input to connect your two monitors directly to the dock. 3 into USB 3.0 connection. You can connect, access and charge your devices such as your mobile phone and your tablet. RJ45 connection, it means you can hardwire your internet connection. All you need is one cable to connect all your devices. Isn't it just amazing? Let's have a quick overview of the monitor arm itself. As you can see, it is a very beautifully designed monitor arm. Each monitor arm is designed to hold 17 to 34 inch screen with the maximum weight of 9 kg. This VESA setting here is a lockable and releasable VESA setting. Once your monitor arm is connected with your monitor, you can twist, you can turn, you can set the screen to your comfortable viewing height. Also, it has got integrated cable management system, which means you can hide all those annoying cables. So we have designed this arm for the single screen and the dual screen here. Both are available immediately for the next day delivery for your home and commercial office projects. If you have any questions, if you would like to see the demo of the product, please give me a shout. Let's transform your workstation into a healthy and sustainable workstation.